go in this side. This is chapter 2 where we are going to look the basic pillar of Kafka, that is producer, consumer, topic and consumer group. Okay, in last lecture we have installed Kafka and we have created one topic to test just Kafka properly installed or not. So in this lecture we are going to look what is the producer, consumer, topic and consumer group. So basically topic, topic means we can say that, for example, if you open the or if you create one YouTube channel, so your YouTube channel name, suppose the Hardcoder Baba is your YouTube channel, so that is your topic. Okay, your YouTube channel name is your topic. Okay, and producer means whenever you upload anything to this that channel, okay, so you are the producer, because you are the producer, you produces the video and upload in your YouTube channel, so you are the producer. Okay, you are the producer and you are uploading on the topic, means in your channel. And the end user, consumer, which saw your saw video from your channel. So consumer means end user, producer means you, which upload the which you upload on YouTube, and you upload your video on your channel, so that is a channel name, or your channel is a topic, right? So let's create the topic first. Okay, so to create the topic first, now we need to start the Apache Kafka first. So let's go to the Windows, inside the Kafka folder. Okay, in last video we saw how to start Kafka. Inside Kafka folder, inside bin, Windows. Okay, open command prompt. Okay, same path I copied into three terminals, so that it is easy for us to access all that. CD. Okay, one more terminal, CD, one more terminal, CD, paste. Okay, so go to one terminal. Now we need to run zookeeper first. So to run the zookeeper, the file name is zookeeper.bat, and we need to pass the which file? Config, inside config zookeeper.properties file. So pass the inside config folder there is a zookeeper.properties file. Enter. With this command zookeeper is started. Now go to here and type kafka-server, kafka.server something file name. Is a file name kafka-server, kafka-server-start. Okay, kafka-server-start.bat, and we need to pass here server.properties file name, and server.properties file present in config folder. So go back and here server.properties file. Enter. So in this way your zookeeper started and now Kafka is started. Okay, now create one topic. In last video we have created one topic, so to create the topic we need to run topic.bat file. Okay, so the command is, this is a kafka-topic.bat file. Okay, kafka-topic.bat file which is present in Windows folder. We need to pass some bootstrap-server. This is topic name. Okay, lunch. Your topic name is my channel, my YouTube channel, or my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel is topic name, something like that. Okay, so topic is created. Now check topic is created successfully or not. So copy this and dash list. So in last video we have created some topic. That topic also came here, lunchbox and this, and today we have created this topic, my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is our topic. Now create the producer which upload the video on this topic or some message on this topic. So let's create the producer. So the command to create the producer is, we need to run console-producer.bat file. Okay, console-producer.bat. Okay, so Kafka console-producer.bat file creates the producer. Now on which topic you want to produce message. Okay, if you created the YouTube channel, so obviously you upload video on your YouTube channel, so you need to pass here your topic, on which topic you want to. So in my YouTube channel I want to upload my videos or upload my messages. So Kafka producer produces message on this channel. Okay, press enter. Okay, now upload first video. Okay, so this is my first video. Okay, so I upload this video, that's it. Now suppose I subscribe to your channel, I am the subscriber of your channel. Okay, let's create the consumer. I have not subscribed it. Now I am going to subscribe your channel. Okay, so this is a consumer which subscribe your channel. What is your channel name? My YouTube channel. Okay, so I am going to subscribe this channel. Okay, so consumer, provide the server, and if you create the consumer, you need to pass the topic name. So this consumer subscribe this channel. So after that, here you can see. Okay, after creating the consumer, I have not write anything, so I create one more. Means suppose I am the new consumer, so I am the new subscriber of your channel, so I am not getting the old notification. Okay, so let's do one thing, pass some message. This is my second video. So now I am the subscriber. Okay, I already subscribed to your channel. Now go here. Yeah, this is my second video. I got the notification. Okay, I press the bell icon on your YouTube channel. So once you upload the video, I get the notification here. This is my second video. Okay, right? But suppose my requirement is I am the new subscriber, right? But I want all the old notification also, whatever you uploaded earlier. Okay, so for this you need to just create one more. Okay, so let me create one more terminal. I create one more consumer. Okay, I create one more consumer, and to create the consumer, the command is kafka, and you want all the messages from beginning. Okay, so there is one option from beginning. Okay, just copy this and paste it. So whatever message producer from beginning, the consumer get that message. You can enter here. You can see first video, second video. I am the new subscriber, even though I get all the messages because I set here from beginning. Okay, so you create the topic, you create the producer, and you created the consumer. Now do one thing. You can also describe your what you called the topic properly created or not. There is one command, describe. This is the command by which you can describe your topic properly created or not. So here okay, let's create one more terminal. Kafka-topics.bat. Okay, and describe what is your name. Name is this. Okay, so here we created properly how many number of partition. Here is one partition and one replication. Topic name is this, and create one partition and one replication. Okay, one more thing you can see here, after creating consumer and producer, if you want to check the list of consumer, how many consumers is there. Okay, so you can check from here with this command. Okay, this is a two consumer. Okay, how? This is one consumer which is consuming message, this is second consumer which is consuming message. So on two terminal we are created the two consumer. So two consumer means your total two subscriber which subscribe to your YouTube channel. So this is total two subscriber. Whenever you upload any message, so both subscribers get the notification. Let's try. hello subscribers. Now go hello subscriber. That's hello subscriber. So both people get the notification. So for the event based notification, we use our event based communication, we use the Kafka, right? So there are two consumers right now and one producer, and we can create more than one producer also. For example, I create one more producer. One more producer produces the message on same. So for example, your brother also upload the videos on this channel. Okay, now he also uploads something, so get the notification also. You upload or your brother upload, anyone upload on this channel, get the notification to subscriber, doesn't matter. Okay, in this way you can create the multiple producer, multiple consumer, and multiple topic also. Okay, so that's it for in this video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Bye.